Hi guys, welcome to Rishaka channel. So guys, recently a lot of people worry about how we can create a logo. That logo how will be converted into JPG to PNG format. So a lot of people using for Photoshop, Corel Draw, a lot of options are there. But in this video, how we can making a logo in a PNG format, JPG to PNG. First of all, how we can logo will be maintained. So first of all, in this Canva, the design size will be 40 by into 40, that pixel size. Or as we can logo will be designed 500 by 500. Select logo option. First of all, I'm creating logo. That logo I can convert into the JPG to PNG format. So these are logos. So I can show existing logo how will be convert and this one. So now I will be add this logo here. Properly check. This is M logo will be create along with the website URL. So compulsory logo will adding with the website URL mandatory field. So add it perfectly. So image what design. So same color you can use when you are using logo. Same color will be used. After this one, we can download this image. But here one problem is there Canva. Canva does not support PNG transparent image. That image how will be designed? That image how will be designed after making a logo from Canva option. That is the purpose. We have to use option name is called remove.bg website. This website, any image background we can remove, add another background option. Select your upload image. So where our images are here, logo, in this, click for download. Now will be check. This will be PNG image. How to know that? Just select logo option. First will be white color will be choose the white color option. So here I'm changing the my background color. Here I'm changing the background color. So after that, adding my logo option along with the website URL. I can see that image will be properly designed. They will be downloaded by this option. This is nothing but we can logo will be designed using Canva and make it logo will be JPG to PNG format in a particular option. Not only one logo, any logo will be visible to convert JPG to PNG format. Just upload the image, any particular images, you will be translate JPG to PNG images. That is depend on your particular things. So which is not suitable, they can't will be remove your background. Which is logo related or background related removed, they usually remove from your background images. This feature we can use to convert JPG to PNG format on a particular option. So this is the image URL. This will be upload image. Both will be successful running for to convert JPG to PNG format. So any further query or how we can facing the problems in these options, you can always comment me on my channel. I definitely will be support. I will be making a JPG or PNG format. What are the problems will be facing this one? Anything you can comment me. So what are the thumbnail I'm making my YouTube channel? I use the option will be Canva. The successful design logos will be JPG format, PNG convert purpose, remove.bg option we can use for the more particular thing purpose. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel.